Welcome to the best picks. The best Tube Amplifier Kit is probably one of the most satisfying DIY projects for any audio enthusiast. It's a chance to build something with your own hands, and then listen to the warm, rich sound that only a tube amplifier can deliver. This video will guide you through everything you need to know, from the components to the final assembly, so you can enjoy the magic of tubes. Number 5. DIY Vacuum Tube Amplifier Kit. Introducing the DIY Vacuum Tube Amplifier Kit. This kit allows you to build your own tube amplifier, enhancing your audio experience. It effectively filters digital sound, making music and vocals sound better. The kit features 8 470 microfarads capacitor filters for a clean power supply. This design ensures excellent power delivery and minimizes noise. The filaments use DC 12V and need to be connected in series to reduce noise. This amplifier can connect the 6J12 preamp between your sound source and amplifier. It effectively filters digital sound. The music and human voice will be relatively good. Enjoy the process of building your own tube amplifier. This DIY kit comes in parts, allowing you to assemble it yourself. It's a fun and rewarding project. The amplifier uses a DC 5.5 by 2.1 socket and an AC 12V transformer. You can also use an AC 12V transformer. No plug is needed, just solder the power cord to the circuit board. What we like. This kit boasts 8 470 UF capacitors for exceptionally clean filtering, ensuring a noise-free listening experience. It's also designed for easy assembly, allowing you to enjoy the process of building your own tube amplifier. If you're looking to soften the harshness of digital audio and prefer a warmer, more analog sound, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit does require some assembly, which is pretty straightforward if you match up the parts with what's printed on the PCB. The amp pretty low distortion and will be good for mics. The assembled board's audio jack designation starting from 12 VAC power in audio out RL pre-audio in RL. Number 4. Mod 102 DIY Guitar Amplifier Kit. Are you ready to create your own sound? This kit allows you to assemble a guitar amplifier. It's a fun project for anyone interested in electronics and music. This is a DIY pedal kit, so assembly and soldering are required. It's a great way to learn about how amplifiers work while building your own. This amplifier delivers 5 W of power into 8 ohms. It's perfect for practice or small performances. You'll be amazed at the sound it produces. It features vintage channel controls, including bass, treble, and volume. This gives you full control over the sound. You can shape your tone to perfection. The vintage pilot lamp and screw-on jewel cover indicate when the amplifier is on. It's a classic touch. It also adds to the overall aesthetic. What we like. With 5 W of output power, this kit delivers a classic guitar amp experience. It features vintage channel controls for bass, treble, and volume, allowing you to shape your tone. If you're a guitarist looking for a simple, hands-on project to build your own amp and experiment with vintage tones, this kit is ideal. What people say. All of the directions are very clear and detailed, and they give you parts lists and diagrams and test points to make building pretty straightforward. This amp is all point-to-point and no PC board is used. This kit is unique in the market in that it features point-to-point soldering and also includes extensive instructions and in a reasonable price range. Number 3. Mod Kit's Mod 102 Plus 8W Guitar Amplifier. Today, we're diving into the Mod Kit's Mod 102 Plus Guitar Amplifier. This DIY kit requires assembly and soldering, perfect for those who enjoy a hands-on project. It's a great way to build your own amp. This amplifier delivers 8 watts of power into an 8 ohm speaker. It's a compact yet powerful unit, ideal for practice or small gigs. You'll be impressed by its performance. Featuring a single channel, this amp offers a straightforward approach to guitar amplification. It's designed for simplicity and ease of use, allowing you to focus on your playing. The amp includes vintage channel controls with push-pull functionality. These controls include bass, treble, and volume, giving you a wide range of tonal options. It allows you to shape your sound. It also features a vintage pilot lamp and screw-on jewel cover for power-on indication. This adds a classic touch to the amp's design. It's a nice visual cue. What we like. This kit offers 8W of power and push-pull functionality, giving you more control over your sound. It includes vintage channel controls with bass, treble, and volume, plus a turbo option. If you like to have more options to shape your tone and want a bit more power, this amp kit is a great option. What people say. Very nice kit, good quality components, sounds awesome, you can get clean or you can get dirty, would recommend. This kit comes with excellent step-by-step instructions that are clearly drawn and easy to understand. Number 2. PRT07A12AX7 Vacuum Tube Preamplifier PCB Kit. Introducing the PRT07A Preamplifier PCB Kit. This kit allows you to build your own audio amplifier. It's a great way to experience the warmth of vacuum tube sound. The kit requires a DC input of 280V, with a minimum current of 10 mA for each of the two groups. It also needs a 12.6V DC supply for the filament, with at least 0.8A. This ensures the tubes function correctly. This kit is designed for the 12AX7 vacuum tube and its compatible types. These tubes are known for their excellent audio characteristics. Using these tubes will enhance the audio quality. The PCB measures 77mm by 154mm with a thickness of 1.6mm. It's a double-sided board with a spray tin finish. This design ensures durability and efficient signal transfer. This kit is easy to assemble. It provides all the necessary components for building a high-quality preamplifier. You can enjoy a superior audio experience with this kit. What we like. This kit is based on the classic M7 circuit, known for its warm and rich sound. It's compatible with the popular 12AX7 tube, allowing for easy tube rolling and customization. If you are looking to build a preamp with a classic tube sound, this kit is a great starting point. What people say. I soldered the components on the board. It's been sitting in my drawer for months, never made a sound. Number 1. NE5532 Amplifier Kit, Stereo Preamplifier. Introducing the NE5532 Amplifier Kit. This stereo preamplifier is perfect for your DIY audio projects. It offers volume control and tone adjustments for a customized listening experience. The power supply circuit uses a full bridge rectifier design. This setup includes decoupling capacitors to minimize high-frequency interference from the AC power grid. This ensures a cleaner power supply for the amplifier. The chip inside has a high conversion rate and strong drivability. This will significantly improve the performance of your project. It's designed to deliver a powerful and efficient audio experience. Enjoy stable and reliable performance with this amplifier kit. The design minimizes interference from the power grid, ensuring consistent audio quality. It's built for long-lasting use. This amplifier offers a wide frequency band and low noise. It's easy to use and integrates well into various audio setups. It provides a clear and enjoyable listening experience. Please note, this kit cannot be powered directly by a 12V battery or DC power supply. Make sure to use the appropriate power source for optimal performance and safety. What we like. The power supply circuit uses a full bridge rectifier, which helps to eliminate high-frequency interference. It offers a wide frequency band and low noise, making it easy to integrate into your project. If you are looking for a preamp module with a clean and stable power supply, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Quality components, very nice board, well designed. Easy to assemble for most experienced hobbyists. The circuit is easy to modify the shelving frequencies of the bass, mid, and treble to suit other applications such as musical, vocal, PA applications. This is accomplished by scaling down the bass caps, 0.047 microfarads, and scaling up the treble caps, 2 and 2, by an equal amount. The mid may also be moved 2 in whatever direction desired. The circuit will operate on lower voltages but will require you to put jumpers in place of the voltage regulator ICs, and lower voltages will reduce signal swing and hot signals may cause overload, clipping. Easy to assemble. Worked the first time I turned it on. Sounds good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.